Good Thursday morning. Things looking a little different today. We had a little rain to start yesterday, but then we managed to really clear things off quickly. And here we are just approaching 8:30 in the morning. It's getting progressively cloudier in contrast to yesterday's clearing skies. And that's what we're going to see here for the next couple of days. A little bit of rain headed our way this afternoon and for tomorrow. Right now, a little shake to the camera. It's getting a little breezier out there. Winds right now around 25 miles per hour, and we're going to have that pretty much all day long. Good morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today, looking behind the scenes, here I am in the KTTC and Fox 47 studio. Behind the monitor there, and of course you see the news desk over there. And today things are looking a little breezier and a little warmer, though. We're going to be looking at upper 50s later today, which is basically I think one of the warmest days of the week. And tomorrow, a whole lot different. Big changes are ahead of us. 43 right now in Rochester to start the day. That's pretty warm for the morning hours. Just a couple of weeks ago we were hoping for highs in the 40s, and here we are having 3 days in a row already in the 50s. Today would be the fourth day in a row, and today we started the day actually not far from the average high. 50 is a typical high this time of the year. It's already 43 in Rochester, Mason City 45, La Crosse 46, 43 right now. It feels like 34. Winds 20 miles per hour, gusting a little higher than that. Day planner, plenty of clouds. By around 3 or 4, we start seeing some of those scattered rain showers coming in from the southwest. So we're going to have gusty winds today, but there's that afternoon rain. It's going to get soggier by tonight. But so far, dry skies. A lot of clouds around, but you zoom out, we see a storm system centered to our west. That will drag a cold front through the area. That's going to be around this time tomorrow, maybe a little bit earlier, right around sunrise on Friday, and that will bring some dramatic changes. Ahead of that, some rain. Behind it, maybe even some freezing rain. And with that in mind, along and west of Interstate 35, there's a winter weather advisory. It starts at 5 a.m. tomorrow. It goes until 4 in the afternoon, as there is a possibility of just a few icy patches developing because of that freezing rain potential, some sleet, and maybe even a little bit of snow mixing in. I'm not looking at the shovel out of this. In fact, the ground is fairly warm, but some elevated surfaces, the rooftops, sidewalks might even be a little icy. But streets, maybe especially on off-ramps, overpasses, it may be just a little slick in spots. So that's what's going on tomorrow, especially in the afternoon. That's when things will get even colder with behind that cold front as it comes in. Temperatures will be dropping. We'll start the day tomorrow in the 40s. In fact, 58 the expected high around 5 o'clock today. We'll still be at midnight tonight around 50. By tomorrow morning at sunrise around 45, 46 degrees. But from there on, we drop down to below freezing by sunset tomorrow. In fact, many of us to the west especially will be below freezing just after lunchtime tomorrow. Breezy, some afternoon rain today. Wintry mixture tomorrow, especially for the afternoon. And some weekend sunshine as we look at 40s and 50s for highs, and then still next week perhaps some 60s. But right now, here is Futurecast. We are looking at those showers coming into southeast Minnesota, north Iowa by around 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. Showers more widespread tonight, maybe even some thunder just ahead of that cold front. And then as the front moves through, we see scattered rain showers, but falling temperatures with northwest winds ushering in that colder air. A little bit of mixture, that ugly purplish pink color. Well, ugly on this map because it suggests wintry precipitation and still maybe some freezing rain at times tomorrow afternoon. And a little snow mixes in. We're looking at maybe quarter, maybe half inch on the grassy areas tomorrow evening, just before midnight, before we dry out for Saturday. So today, progressively wetter as we move along in the afternoon and evening. Best chances of rain will be after about sunset with those showers coming in for the overnight hours. 58 today in Rochester, Albert Lee 61, 62 in Charles City, 64 in La Crosse. Again, 58, that's about 8 degrees above the seasonal average. Southeast winds up to 30 miles per hour. Tonight, showers likely, maybe a rumble of thunder. Southeast winds still on the gusty side. Then tomorrow, falling temperatures with raw northwest winds. 40s at first. By noon, we'll be in the upper 30s. By sunset, around 30 or 31 degrees. So we see things getting below freezing. So that icy mixture is possible for many of us, especially to the west where things get colder very quickly. Could even have some flash freezing as that rain falls, and then we see temperatures get a little icier. Or colder anyway. Temperature tracker does look better after tomorrow especially, but Saturday even better with some sun. The mid and upper 40s by Sunday and Monday. Those days above average, and then of course Tuesday the warmest of them all with that shot at mid 60s, and by then also some thunderstorms will be possible. In the meantime, enjoy this mild weather today, and just be ready for that yucky weather tomorrow. It's going to be pretty raw and pretty cold and blustery as temperatures drop off the map for our Friday, but keep in mind the weekend is a little drier and a whole lot better. In the meantime, have a great Thursday, everybody. I'll see you back here tomorrow.